Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to get my nails did. They're so messy. My left hand's not too bad, my right hand's still really bad from early this year when I damaged them. Right, so I've already prepped my nails, so I'm just buffing off the shiny surface to my nails there. This is the tips I'm using. These are the McCourt XXL Stiletto tips. I absolutely love them. They're so long, I end up cutting them in half. Literally, I cut the top half off. That's how long they are. So I'm just using nail glue and I'm going to get them glued on to the tips of my nails. I just hold them on there in the centre for a few seconds and then I'll squeeze them in at the sides as well, just to make sure that the sides are stuck down as well. Right, that's them all glued on. Look at the length of those. My gosh. Right, so I'm going to get them all snipped down. Can you see, I've literally cut the top half off and they're still too long. I'm going to file them off at the end. Right, I'm just filing the shiny surface off those nail tips and I'm just blending it in with my natural nail where I've glued it on. I always leave them just a little bit longer so that I can file and shape them at the end. Right, so I'm just going to give my nails a dousing of dehydrator and then I'm going to give it a little coat of primer. Both of them are from Venelisa. Now I'm just going to give my nails, I always go over the nail tip as well with base coat. Just a nice thin, even layer, and then I'll cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then we'll get on with these colourful polygel nails, and they are very colourful. I was really happy with these actually, I really liked them. Right, so I'm using Moravan Polygel today. I'm using nude with my alcohol. I don't like slip solution. I've always used alcohol. I just don't feel like I have to dip my brush as much as what I do with slip solution. But slip solution works. I just prefer alcohol. Right, on my pinky and my middle finger, I'm going to be doing a nail bed using the nude. I'll probably just keep this pinky in real time because yeah, it does take me quite a while to do them, and I'll probably speed the middle finger up because it's going to be exactly the same. So I get it as neat as I can. I don't have to worry about getting it too crisp and too neat. I always say it because once it's cured in the lamp, I'll use a nail file then and get it really crisp and really neat. So once I'm happy with that nail bed, I'll stick that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So same again with my middle finger. I get it as thin as I can and as close to my cuticle as I can. Obviously, you don't want the product to touch your cuticle. And yeah, just shape it the best you can and stick it in the lamp. Right, both of them nail beds are cured. Always make sure you wipe off that tacky layer before you file because it'll just gunk up your files and knacker it. So what I do first is I file over the top, get that really flat and neat and smooth. And then you'll see I just crispen up them edges, just make them walls really straight and crisp and neat. And then once I'm happy with that, I'll just quickly go over it with a buffer and get some of them harsh scratches out. Right, so that's both of my nail beds done. This is the first time I have ever done nail beds on my actual real nails. I was so happy with how they turned out. Right, this is the glitter. It's from A&A Glitter from the Wonderland collection. It's called Tea Party. It is beautiful. I've been dying to use some of these new glitters that I've got. And this is a really, really nice one. Right, ignore this finger. I've left this finger. I ended up swapping this over. I wanted this on my pointer finger, but I didn't record my pointer finger, so I'm just going to show you this anyway, how I do it. I've just put a layer of base coat on that, and I'm just putting all the glitter into this base coat. I end up taking that off and redoing it on the pointer finger, but I'm just showing you here how I did it. So yeah, I'm just placing all the glitter into that wet base coat, and then I'll cure that in the lamp. I'm not doing it all the way up because I want to do a bit of a polygel fade at the top. Can you see I've switched that glitter to my pointer finger because I didn't want it on my ring finger. My ring finger is going to be just a full cover of polygel. What I'm going to do with those two nails that I've got glitter on, I'm going to do a bit of a polygel at the top and just fading it down into the glitter. You'll see later on in the video. Yeah, so this nail is just a full cover, full nail, polygel nail. I'll cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds as well. And then I'll give that nail a file and a buff as well, get it into a nice shape. Right, that's them all filed. Now I'm going to put the polygel on the top of this pointer finger and the thumb. I really struggled with this actually, because you could still see the glitter through the fade slightly and I wasn't happy with it, but yeah, I've never done anything like this on my own nails. I don't sculpt polygel for a start, I always use dual forms, so I threw myself right in at the deep end with this set, but I was so happy with how they turned out. I did really, really well. So as you'll see there, I'm just going to fade it down into that glitter, and then I'll get all that encapsulated later on in the video. Just fading it down the best I can, making sure to try and keep a bit of apex, a bit of thickness around the centre of the nail. You don't want it too thin or else it will snap. Right, so that's them all filed, all buffed and ready to get encapsulated. What I'm going to do first on this nail, the pinky and the middle one, the ones with the nail beds, I'm going to paint that free edge with this pink gel polish because I want this pink gel polish to go underneath the glitter. So I'm painting that free edge and I'm painting it right up the sides of that wall of the nail bed, and then I'll get them cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, that's all my gel polish cured. That gel polish is beautiful. It is so nice. It's a little neon set from Umic. I've been using Umic a lot recently. I'm in love with their gel polish. It's so nice. Right, I'm just putting a little layer of base coat down like I did with the other glitter nail. And I'm just placing some bits of glitter into that wet base coat. I want a little bit of a glitter fade coming down from the edge of that nail bed. I don't want to completely cover the free edge. And then I'll get that cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going to do the same on the pinky nail as well. Right, I decided to encapsulate these nails using builder gel because every time, well not every time, but sometimes when I encapsulate glitter in polygel, it loses a lot of its vibrancy and its sparkle. So when I'm using glitter, I much prefer to encapsulate it using a builder gel. So that's all I'm doing here. I'm going to get all the nails encapsulated and again cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. Right, that's them all done, all filed, all buffed and ready for top coat. So I'm going to give them all a quick layer of top coat to get them finished off, and I've pulled out some little rhinestones as well. I'm going to put these little rhinestones there, look, aren't they cute? I'm going to put them on the ring finger and that'll be this set finished. Okay, that's them finished. What do you think? I love them. I love them. I just wish on that pointer finger and thumb I would have faded the glitter up a little bit better. I didn't think you'd be able to see it, but I'm really not bothered. I'm not mourning. I just know what I'd do different next time. I absolutely love them. I do. It's my favourite set of nails I've ever done on my own nails. I really, really like them. Let me know what you think in the comments. I hope you like them. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload, and hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.